everyone, I'm meteorologist Danielle Niles. Feeling a little more like spring here these next several days. Not a ton of sunshine today, but there'll be some peaks here or there, and temperatures will respond by climbing into the 50s. Tonight becoming mostly cloudy, upper 30s. Chilly suburbs should dip into the mid-30s with a light wind tonight. Tomorrow, a lot of these temperatures will depend on if we can get some breaks of sun, but most of us should still manage some 50s for highs tomorrow, despite the lack of sunshine and the threat for some showers along and north of the Mass Turnpike tomorrow, late in the day especially. So from early afternoon onward, there'll be a threat for some showers that you may want to have the umbrella on standby for. This is a warm front lifting northward gradually Thursday evening and night. That will boost our temperatures to around 60 on Friday, but there will be some morning showers that depart before we see that sunshine break out. Mid-50s on Saturday looks like a beautiful start to the weekend. Really pleasant with some late-day clouds. Sunday, low 50s, and there'll be a few showers possible morning to midday on Easter. As we get closer, we'll kind of pinpoint those down for your plans, but either way, it looks like it ushers in some cooler air back in the 40s for the start of next week. See you again tomorrow morning for WBZ This Morning.